So the pros and cons of double hung windows, the pros is it's the easiest window to clean because you can simply tilt it in to clean both the top and the bottom sash will fold to the inside of the home for cleaning. And it's probably 80-something% of the opening windows in our Midwestern market are double hung windows, so we're used to seeing that style of window. I wouldn't say a double hung's better than a casement or a picture window. I would just say it's different than them. Another benefit of a double hung window over like a casement, which a casement is the type that crank out. And if you don't know, a double hung window is the type that has a top sash and a bottom sash. And in our case, both the top and the bottom can operate. And so on a double hung window, they have screens on the exterior. On casement windows, which are the type that crank out, they have screens on the interior. So if it's an aesthetics issue, some people don't like to look at screens, some people don't even see them when they look. That might be something that comes into play. But it's just, we most often mirror what the house has. Like if your home was built with double hung windows, most often we replace back with double hung windows because that architecturally fits the eye or the style of the house. Double hungs are usually a little wider than a casement window, and so to make casements go into that, it can be done, but sometimes it looks odd to the eye because it's not what we're used to seeing here in the Midwest. But I mean, efficiency-wise, durability-wise, all Thermo King windows are the same efficiency rating. I mean, there's nominal differences, and all Thermo King windows operate similarly as far as, performance and things of that matter. But it's just, again, if you're used to having a double hung window, I can tell you one benefit of a double hung window. Mini blinds. So like on a casement window, if you open the window to ventilate and you have mini blinds, the mini blinds, because when you crank open a casement window, it's top to bottom is open, the air can cause the blinds to move and rattle. And if you're noise sensitive, that can be an issue. Whereas on a double hung, you can raise the blinds up just to where the double hung window's raised up, and so the blinds aren't in front of the window, and so you don't get that rattling or noise when you're ventilating. But you lose the privacy of the mini blinds because you've raised it up. So it's not a real big deal, but it's something I thought of.